Welcome to the era of future wind energy innovation, where efficiency meets innovation. Today, we proudly unveil a cost-effective solution for wind turbine installation that not only reduces risks, but also generates more powerful energy. Join us as we delve into the engineering process that makes this vessel a true game changer. The foundation of our innovation lies in the hull. Crafted from repurposed cargo containers, making it both readily available and sustainable. Standing tall at 80 feet wide, and 400 feet long. This hull sets the stage for a groundbreaking installation ship. Witness the seamless combination of individual hulls, forming a robust structure akin to a brick pattern. This amalgamation creates a massive base for the installation ship, setting the stage for unparalleled efficiency. Watch as this hull gracefully takes its place on the water's surface, showcasing the vessel's imposing presence. Explore the core structure of the deck featuring green I-beams for a sustainable and efficient bonding of cargo containers. These 40 feet long, 8 feet wide, and 8.6 feet high containers interlock flawlessly, ensuring a resilient structure without any damage. Witness the transformation as two cargo containers seamlessly bond together. Designing a deck spanning 2,400 feet in height and 2,400 feet in width, we showcase the assembly of cargo containers, forming a colossal 2,400 foot wide and 2,400 foot long deck. This immense deck ensures cost efficiency and sustainability. Witness the placement of this expansive deck on the hull, completing the assembly of the installation ship. Introducing the deck crane, a vital component for turbine installation. Standing at an impressive 1,800 feet tall, this crane ensures secure installation of turbine tower blades, minimizing risks for our engineers. Observe the deck crane seamlessly integrated onto the deck, enhancing the installation ship's capabilities. Meet the tower crane, designed for lifting towers and blades from the ship onto the installation vessel. This crane plays a crucial role in the precise placement of wind towers. Experience the tower crane's positioning on the deck, towering above the deck crane. Enter the realm of the transportation ship, dedicated to ferrying towers and blades directly from the factory to the installation ship. Capable of accommodating 250-foot turbine blades, this ship ensures smooth and secure transportation. Unveil the impressive turbine tower and blade, with a towering height of 1,000 feet and a blade length of 250 feet, maximizing energy production at minimal cost. Witness the seamless integration of the turbine tower and blades onto the deck, showcasing the installation ship's capacity. Directly position the turbine tower using the tower crane, accompanied by the forward movement of the deck crane, ensuring a harmonious and efficient installation process. Through the coordinated efforts of the deck crane, install turbine blades one by one, eliminating physical risks and security concerns for our engineers. Presenting the future tower crane, equivalent in height to the current tower crane, further enhancing our installation capabilities. Compare the current and future transportation ships, highlighting the future ship's ability to carry blades of approximately 500 feet in length, doubling the capacity. Establishing the future transportation ship as the premier supplier of wind turbine towers and blades, surpassing all existing vessels. Explore the evolution of wind towers, with the future tower reaching an unprecedented height of 1,800 feet and blades extending to 500 feet, promising enhanced energy production. Delve into the intricacies of energy calculations with a focus on swept area and wind velocity. Witness the installation of towers and blades on the deck. Grasping the sheer magnitude of this technological marvel. take a final glance at our innovative installation process. Capturing the essence of the turbine tower installation ship and its colossal impact on the future of wind energy. Let's build a green, safe, and endless supply of sustainable wind energy, together.